Now our next case is Poonam Verma versus Ashwin Patil and others. This is one of the important case, Poonam Verma versus Ashwin Patil and others. This is another landmark case in medical profession. It is concerning to the rights of doctors practicing homeopathy, Ayurvedic and Unani system of medicine to practice allopathy were discussed and determined. The crucial question before the court was whether a person who had neither studied allopathy or had pursued the prescribed course in allopathy or had obtained any degree or diploma, then how could he or she prescribe the medicines to any patient? Means from this faculty, means homeopathy, Ayurvedic and Unani, if these doctors are prescribing allopathy medicines, then it is right or wrong? This question was discussed in this Poonam Verma versus Ashwin Patil and others. Question is asked that write a note or what are the facts of this case. Then the Supreme Court answered the question in a negative. Supreme Court said the doctors should have state medical registration and mention their degree. If there is a no enroll number, then he is not allowed to practice. And if the person practices medicine without possessing any qualifications or enrollment under the Act on any state medical register, he becomes liable to be punished with imprisonment or a fine or a both. The court held that since the law under which a person was registered as a medical practitioner required him to practice in that particular branch of medicine only, the court remarked that a person who does not have knowledge of a particular system of a medicine but has practiced in that system is a quack and a mere pretender to medical knowledge or a skill. Means for practicing in a medical profession, you should have that specific qualification, degree and enrollment number under this act of state medical register. So from this case, we have come to know that whatever the specific degree you have in that profession only you have to do practice. Means if you are having homeopathy, then you should practice homeopathic practice only.